السلام عليكم. أنا حمود عبد المحسن. أنا من السعودية.
你好，我的名叫做
हाय मेरा नाम इमरान है।
안녕하세요. 저는 옥순연입니다.
你们好，我叫邱继阳，我来自中国贵州贵阳。I'm just introduce myself by using Chinese. My name is Jiya Qiu. I'm come from Guiyang, Guizhou, 中国. It's really hard to really understand in different language. In the beginning of this project, and we can say there are different countries. There are many people from different countries saying different words like the hello. But I think most of you guys just only can understand like in English. I really know how it is really hard to understand foreign language. It's like I'm come to here for 3 years. I'm even cannot totally understand at all from American or my professor which they talk about. So the thing is the technology is most important for us. The technology can really help us like translator. So today we're gonna talk about how translator broke up the language barrier in global business. The act of globalizing or extend to other of the entire world with the worldwide integration and development, people start running an international business between different countries. According to the World Auto, which is showing there are over 189 the independent countries in the world, about 6,900 knowing language worldwide. Think about it, 6,900 knowing language in the world. How big number it is? I believe that no one could speak in 6,900 in different languages. Therefore, the question is coming out about how businessmen deal with the language barrier. Well, the last barrier to immediate global business is being broken down by the best technology our world has to offer, and more e-translation is available now than ever before. It plays an important role for translating so that we can communicate from one language to other in order to do business with each other. When we search the internet of translator, there will be thousands of results come out. Many of them do help us to translate from one language to different language, but just especially to like vocabulary, but not grammar. It's like I remember I had an experience once when my professor asked me to read an article. I tried to use Google Translator to help me understand better, but the gesture with the grammar is totally mixed and wrong. It's made really incorrect the way. And at that time, I was really like, wow, I even don't understand my first language, Chinese. Let me show you simple example. Like, first I open the Google translation and we tap like in Chinese. Like it's simple, really simple sentence. Like that book is good to read, but see it's showing like good to see that book. It's the grammar is totally wrong. So therefore I believe that people who running a global business will not able to use the translator as a Google. They may looking for the better soft from other company. Now I'm talking about the way to translate. Like there are two available software. Like first one is like Sistra 7 business translator and a mobile translation apps. The Sistra 7 business translator embraces you to accurate translate and understand foreign language from documents, email, web page, and text, and globalizing. It intensely translation text from and into 50 52 languages for individuals to understand and appreciate any type of information. Say there are many like English to Chinese and French, Italian, Japanese, Korean, and there is like 52 languages in here. And this stuff is we need to pay to we need to spend money to buy it. So at this time I could not show you guys how to do it, but it's exactly can translate anything that you want, like web. When you open the web, when you have some document and any text, anytime you can deal with your computer and phone. The other one is like mobile translation apps. The mobile translation apps take a variety of approaches help people overcome language difference. It's more convenience. The businessmen who download the mobile translation apps in their smartphone, they can translate the international text and email immediately, such as the Jiya apps offers automatic translation between people speaking different languages who hand a smartphone back and forth. The idea is the one person asks the question in English, for instance, that hands the phone to someone who speaks Chinese. The people hears the question and answer it in Chinese, and hands the phone back to the first person for automatic English to the Chinese. Let me show you the examples. Well, I download the Jiya apps in my phone. You can see in here. And I open it and see there are many languages in my screen, right? So we're gonna transfer English to Chinese. Hello.
你好.
See, I record my voice in here and I say in English like hello, and it's translated in China, and this in Chinese, and they say to Chinese like 你好. And also we can tap some word like you can type some words in Chinese, and we can translate.
Hello, how are you?
See, I typed the 你好吗? It means like hello, how are you? And also translate. You can use the sounds to talk to other people.
Hello, how are
It's
you?
really helpful and convenient apps for translator for the business if they visit somewhere or if they receive some email or something, and they can change it really fast and really good. Cool. Also, there are serious apps for BlackBerry, which is also smartphone, allowed use to translate text, email, and instant messages on their handsets. Users can key in text to see two-way translations on their screen. That's just really good. Just like when the business text, like if you are doing like business, I'm doing a business, and we're from different countries. I may have some important things to talk to you, so I have to text you or email to you. By the time, if you cannot understand my language, so you cannot understand it, but you can use this like translation, everything that help you to understand better other language. So translator is really good. Translation is really good for business to use. It's really helpful for global business.